In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wolfe Wave Pattern in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market you like: stocks, forex, crypto, or indices. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to start by opening the indicators menu. You'll find this at the top of the TradingView interface. Look for the button labeled Indicators on the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click that, and it will open a new window or panel where you can search for all sorts of tools and scripts. Inside this Indicators panel, you'll see a search box at the very top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator or pattern without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so that your cursor is active and ready to type. This step may seem simple, but using the search function is the fastest and cleanest way to locate specific tools like the Wolfe Wave Pattern, especially when you're working with a lot of indicators. Now in that search box, start typing Wolfe Wave Pattern. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see options appear that match what you've entered. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the version you want, usually from either the built-in scripts or a well-rated community script, depending on what you prefer. Once you see Wolfe Wave Pattern in the list, click on it. TradingView will immediately apply that pattern tool to your chart. After it's added, look at your chart to confirm that the tool is active. Depending on the specific script or implementation, you may see lines and wave structures plotted automatically, or you may be able to manually mark the waves using the tool. If there is a settings icon next to the indicator name on your chart, you can click that to adjust inputs, colors, visibility, or alert settings according to your trading style. Take a minute to customize it so it's easy for you to read at a glance. If you want to unlock more features, more layouts, and smoother overall performance while using tools like the Wolfe Wave Pattern, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. I have an affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to additional benefits such as more indicators per chart and improved backtesting flexibility. That's all you need to add the Wolfe Wave Pattern in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, tweak the settings to your preference, and you'll be ready to start analyzing potential Wolfe Wave setups on your favorite markets.